We all know that a preposition is a word that is combined with a noun or pronoun to give further description in terms of time, place, or direction. Prepositions of location are words that are used to describe the place where a certain object is at a certain time. Prepositions of location are used to describe the namely location of objects in a sentence. Namely place is the name of the location or position of the object. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring. Today we are going to discuss preposition of location. We use at to talk about exact specific location. Let us see some examples. At the temple, at the supermarket, at the desk. We use in when we want to talk about enclosed location, rounded location. It is surrounded by something. We are enclosed within something. In that situation, we have to use the preposition in. Example, in your bag. Your items are enclosed in your bag. This is bag. Example, I'm in the office. I'm in the bedroom, in the room. I'm in my farmhouse. Remember, before the names of countries and cities, use in. Example, I live in India. I live in Japan. I live in Pakistan. I live in Chennai. Next, by. Near or close to. We use by when something is near or close to something else. Example, by the computer table. It means near the computer table. By the door, near the door, or close to the door. Example, I'm by the table. I'm by the chair. It means you are near or close to a table and chair. Here is a test for you. She was born dash Italy. In, at. Guess the answer and let me know in the comment. Thank you.